Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech India. This is lecture 7 for the series Cloud Computing. And in this video, we are going to discuss our topic virtualization and its type. So virtualization is one of the most important topic and the core of cloud computing. In this video, we will discuss following topics. What is virtualization? Concept behind virtualization. Types of virtualization. Benefits of virtualization. So let's start with our first topic, that is what is virtualization. Virtualization is the creation of a virtual version of a physical resource or application. So basically creating the virtual version of physical resource or application is called virtualization. It allows the efficient use of hardware resources by sharing them among multiple users or organizations. Virtualizations assign a logical name to a physical storage location and provides a pointer to access that resource when required. So virtualization will assign a logical name to physical storage location that will be identified with that logical name whenever it will be required. You can see here it is traditional machine architecture. Hardware will be there. After that, operating system will be there on it, and on the operating system, application will be running. But in virtualization, it is hardware. Then there is virtualization layer, and on that virtualization, multiple OS are running, and on each individual OS, applications are running. So here, hardware was being used by just one OS. It may be the example of your local system, right? On your local system, just one operating system is running. But in case of virtualization layer, multiple OS are running, and on that OS, application are running. You may have used VMware hypervisor. If you want to run your Linux instance in your Windows machine, you use VMware hypervisor, and on that VMware hypervisor you can run a number of operating systems. It could be Linux or it could be Windows, and on that OS you can use your application. So that is the primary example of virtualization layer. So now concept behind the virtualization. Hardware virtualization involves the creation of a virtual machine over existing hardware, providing a layer of abstraction from underlying physical component. So the basic concept is that you create a virtual machine over the existing hardware. Suppose you create any virtual machine in your laptop. It will be the pure example of virtualization. The host machine serves as the physical hardware where the virtual machine is created. Hardware will still be used. It will be from your local machine, or it will be from your laptop if you are creating it in your laptop. While the guest machine refers to the virtual machine itself, and the machine that you are creating will be referred as guest machine or virtual machine. This separation allows the VM to operate independently of the underlying hardware, providing flexibility and isolation. So as these are separated, like virtual machine is different and your local machine is different, and both are running on independent OS, it provides more flexibility and isolation. Now types of virtualization: server virtualization, desktop virtualization, application virtualization, storage virtualization, network virtualization, operating system virtualization. Let's repeat again: server, desktop, application, storage, network, and operating system virtualization. And operating system virtualization is one of the primary and most important type of virtualization, which is commonly used, you can say. Now let's discuss all these type of virtualization one by one. Server virtualization. This common form of virtualization involves dividing a physical server into multiple virtual machines, each running independently with its own operating system and application. Desktop virtualization. It enables multiple virtual desktop instances to run on a single physical desktop or server, allowing remote access from various devices and facilitating centralized management. Application virtualization. This form of virtualization separates application from the underlying operating system, enabling them to run on different systems without conflict and compatibility issues. Now, storage virtualization. It abstracts the physical storage resources from multiple devices into a single storage pool, providing centralized management and seamless expansion without disrupting existing application. Network virtualization. This type allows the creation of virtual network that can operate independently of the physical network infrastructure, providing enhanced security and flexible network configuration. Operating system virtualization, that is containerization. Operating system virtualization, also known as containerization, enables the sharing of same OS kernel among multiple isolated containers. offering a lightweight alternative to traditional virtual machines. Now, benefits of virtualization: more flexible and efficient allocation of resources, enhanced development productivity, it lowers the cost of IT infrastructure, remote access and rapid scalability, high availability and disaster recovery, pay per use of the IT infrastructure on demand. It enables running multiple operating systems. So these are important benefits of virtualization: more flexible and efficient, it enhances development productivity, it lowers the cost of IT infrastructure, remote access and rapid scalability, high availability and disaster recovery, pay per use of the IT infrastructure on demand, it enables running multiple operating systems. So friends, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great learning.